Hello everyone, and welcome to Music 102 Online. I'm Marie Molesky, and I will be your instructor this semester. I'm glad to meet you, and I'm sure we're going to get to know each other very well. Today, I'd like to take you on a little tour of our classroom. When you come into the home page, the first place that you should look is right here at the news. It's just about everything that's news for our class you'll find either here or over here at What's Up. What's Up is just an extension of what we would have on the front page, and we just have a lot of news. And every week, these two will change, okay? And you'll get a new What's Up, and the news will change. If you notice, it says that this is week 1. Next week will be week 2, and so on. Okay, let's close this and take a look down here. Right here we have calendar. If I were you, I would keep the calendar open to remind you of what's coming up. Here's the dates for your assignments. So if you leave it open, every time you come in, you'll see, oh, I have to do something, and then do that. So if I were you, I would leave them open like that. It's up to you. Okay, let's go over here and see something else. This is an instructor contact. You know, I can't go to your house and fix your computer, but I can, I can help you with some things within the class. You know, things if you don't understand something or that. And there will be times when you need to read, that you need to get in touch with me. So I have material here. And I wouldn't leave it here. I would at least copy it and put it somewhere that you could use it should something happen to your computer that you couldn't get into D2L. So I would put it someplace like maybe on your phone. That would be safe. And the same with the Desire Help Desk. You just don't know what can happen. And these people really have their own number. HACC has their own number for this. And they do answer the phone if you have a problem. So do look at that. And again, put it somewhere where you can reach it outside. And this help.hack, that's just full of material. So if, for instance, if you needed to look up something, you can look it up there for HACC. If you need maybe something happens with your computer, maybe you're looking for another HACC teacher. Yeah, you can find a whole lot of things in here. So do keep them someplace special that in case you couldn't get into D2L. Okay? This is the McGraw-Hill Campus Access Card, and yes, we are going to use it. You all need to get one. And here's a video that tells you how to do that. Okay? So we're going to get that done, and I have a video, and we will get that done this week. Okay? Let's see what else we have. Here is the link that you will be using to buy or so on for your access key. Okay? And we'll talk about that in the video. The next thing we have to talk about is one I really don't like to talk about, and that's the syllabus. I really do not like doing the syllabus, but I understand that we have to do it because it's a contract between, sort of like anyhow, a contract between you and me and you and HACC. And we do have some rules and things about what's going to go on in our class and what HACC thinks. So you do have to read the syllabus, and I know it's boring. I hate it too, and it makes me look like a mean old lady. And I'm not. I'm really not. I might be old, but I'm not mean. And I do want you to read this. And on top of that, you're going to have to take a quiz on the syllabus. Actually, 2 of them. The first one is just a little quiz, and it's 10 points, and you do it until you get all the answers right. Okay? It's very easy. But I want you to take the syllabus quiz. If you've never taken a quiz online, here's a video to show you how to do it. The second part of this is called the sign-in, and it's a quiz too, but it's one question. The question is, did you read the syllabus, and did you understand it? Okay, and you're going to have to say yes to that so that you can begin the class. So do these things this week. Okay? Let's go see what we have in learning modules. We have 6 parts in our textbook, and we're going to be using part 1, we're beginning there, this week. Our work this week is a little easy, but and we're slow, and I want you to get everything to understand and find out how to do it. So the first thing that's important is this instruction, and it tells you different things of what you're going to learn this week, okay, or within that part. So let's go on. And here is sound, and you'll notice you'll find sound here again, so you know what week you're in, okay? And you're going to get, every week you're going to get a to-do list, okay? And these are all the things that you need to do. Here you're going to read the syllabus, and that's what we just talked about. You can introduce yourself on a discussion board, and to do that there's a video, so you'll be able to watch the video for this and then go and make this discussion. And you're going to watch and look at some of the modules, and you just do that. Okay, here's the discussion, register for Connect, which we want to do this week, and take a little quiz. Okay, so you'll have one of these for every module back here. Okay, let's get there again. There's so many different ways to move around in here, so you'll find the way that works the best for you. But here's our complete sound. Okay, everything's here. There's a rubric that will tell you how the things are going to be graded, and then here's one of your discussions, a content file. They're just a little different than what you would do maybe in some other classes, so do read and watch about that. Again, what is a question they're asking you, and then you're going to be doing there's some things that you need to watch. Okay, and then here's another one. They're very quick, easy things for you to do. All right, take some time today to look around and explore. If you look at the top of the top of your page, you see things like this. You can click on them, that sort of thing. So just kind of look around this week. If you need help with the homework, let me know. Be sure to watch the videos, and again, take that time to get lost. You know, if you get lost in here, if you're looking around, all you have to do is come back to My Home. Okay, at the very top it says My Home, and it'll bring you right back to the home page. So look around. You know, I've been a musician my whole life, and I love to share music with you. And I know that everything's going to be a great semester. Bye now.